ask you something before we start. Why do so many people start learning English, but almost nobody actually finishes?
That's a great question, and the answer might surprise you.
Welcome back to Speak Smart English with Edgar, where English is simple, practical, and possible for you. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Brian. Hello to all our wonderful and amazing listeners around the globe. It is a great honor for me to be here again with you, Sarah.
Today, we're sharing one simple but breathtaking idea that can completely change how you learn English and, honestly, how you live your life, because it is a proven method that I used to improve my English level.
And here's the curiosity part. It's not motivation.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about consistency versus motivation.
Sarah, before we explain anything, let me ask you something.
Okay, go ahead.
Have you ever felt super motivated to start something and then stopped a few days, weeks, or months later?
Yes, many times.
Here is the truth. Motivation is not the secret to success. Consistency is. Let's understand why. Before we continue, quick favor. Subscribe to Speak Smart English with Edgar. Like this video. Share it with a friend who wants to improve their English. Let's grow together.
Most people think that means they're lazy or incapable of achieving their goals, but that's not true.
Right. It means they're using the wrong method or wrong strategy.
Sarah, do you remember last year when you wanted to learn how to play the guitar?
Oh no, not the guitar story again. It makes me feel bad.
You were very excited. You bought a guitar, books, watched videos, and who knows what else you did.
I felt amazing. I wanted to be a rock star.
That feeling, that excitement, it is called motivation.
So motivation is a feeling.
Yes, it's powerful but dangerous.
Dangerous?
Because motivation disappears.
That's true. After 1 week, my fingers hurt. I was tired after work. The guitar is now in my closet.
Motivation is like a firework, bright, exciting, and gone very fast.
So what actually works?
Consistency.
Consistency is a feeling too.
No, consistency is an action.
Even when you don't feel like it?
Correct, especially when you don't feel like it.
That sounds hard.
Actually, it's easier because consistency doesn't need excitement. It needs a habit. Do you need motivation to brush your teeth?
No, I just do it.
Exactly. That's consistency.
So guitar failed because of motivation, but brushing my teeth works because of consistency.
Perfect example.
This is a big problem for English learners.
Yes, students say, I will study 2 hours every day.
They study for 3 days.
Then life happens. Work, family, stress, social media, and friends.
They stop and wait for motivation to come back.
But it never does.
So what's the secret?
Make it small.
How small?
5 minutes a day.
5 minutes a day? That sounds too easy.
That's why it works. Read 1 page of an English book every day.
That's easy.
In 1 year, that's 365 pages, 2 or 3 full books.
Wow, that's a lot.
Small steps add up to big and amazing results.
How do we stay consistent?
Use a calendar.
A real one?
Yes, every day you study, put a big red X.
So I create a chain.
Exactly, and you don't want to break it.
What if I miss 1 day?
That's okay. Just remember this rule. Never miss 2 days in a row.
1 day is a mistake. 2 days becomes a habit.
Here's something very important. Perfection is the enemy of consistency.
So I don't need to be perfect.
No, you just need to show up.
Like the turtle and the rabbit.
Yes, the turtle is slow, but never stops.
Be the turtle.
Exactly.
Thank you for listening.
If this helped you, subscribe to the channel.
Like this video and share it with a friend who wants to improve their English.
And tell us in the comments, what is one small thing you want to do every day?
We love reading your answers.
See you next time!
Bye!